Lovers of baking, let's bake our sweet buns. Take a clean basin, add 3/4 of flour, some leaven, baking soda, salt, sugar, milk, margarine, eggs. Then you mix some salt, some oil, then mix everything together. As you can see, knead your dough so well, ensure it's soft and tender, like make it to be smooth. Then some oil to make everything not to be sticky. Then take a cling film, cover it, let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, check on it. You can see how stretchy it is. Yeah, put it on a flat surface, then ensure you knead again to remove the trapped air. Put it back, put it aside, then make some balls like that. Take a baking tray, drizzle some oil, then brush it to make it or grease it. Then make the balls and put them on your baking tray. As you can see, you see 16 pieces. Once you're done, cover it again, let it rest. Then grease it with some egg wash, then put it in your oven, preheated oven, for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. After 25, you can see how good they look, guys. So I had to check them after 20 minutes, and that is how good they looked. So I put it back, then took it out again. After 25 minutes, I did an egg wash for the last time, put it back. You can see how good it looks, brown. I had to check whether it is cooked. Yeah, and it was like that, guys. So I give it a 2 minutes final like touches. That is how good it looked. So I put it aside, as you can see, to let it like cool down, you know. So that is how the final touches looked like. You see how golden yellow they are, or golden brown. I liked it. I had to check on it, and ooh, just look at that. Very fluffy, very soft, and indeed they were so yummy. Yeah, I like them like that. So I had to check on it. You see how it's like a bread, right? Yeah, it was not that hard. In fact, this is my first time baking the sweet buns, and oh, they're so yummy, my guys. So after this, I let them cool. Then I had to take a piece and drizzled some honey, and we had to enjoy them with my baby girl with sugarless tea. You can see how good they look. Yeah, that is after cooling them. So that was all my doings. Don't worry about that. Yeah, so the last part was this. The final touches. Oh, I was happy because, guys, you always know my baking always go wrong. My bakings go wrong. So I took some, I cut like that, and my guys, I had to drizzle some honey, and we enjoyed this. Believe me, with sugarless tea, even my girl did enjoy. Yeah, you can try this. Would you try this at home? Very simple. I'm gonna put the whole recipe in the comment section, so check on it. See you in our next. So bye bye.